Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make Messi in Infinite Craft. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Infinite Craft. After that, open the official website and you will be redirected to this web page. Here, you just need to follow my steps and you will be good to go. First, take earth and add wind with it to create dust. After that, add wind, add sandstorm, add another sandstorm and set it aside. Then add water beside it, add dust and add it with the dust bowl. Now add another mud, add football, and then add mud to get Messi. So that's basically how you can make Messi in Infinite Craft. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.